In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Snapchat account private. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Snapchat application. Now from here, tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And now tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen, which is our settings. Now to make our account private, we simply need to adjust some settings. So you want to go here in the privacy controls section. So the first setting we want to adjust is here. So tap on contact me. Make sure that this is set to only friends. Tap on OK. Now go back. Now tap on view my story. Here you can adjust this to friends only, or you can also adjust it to custom and simply select the friends who can only view your story. Now again, go back and go to see me in quick add. Now what you want to do is to uncheck this to remove yourself in the quick add section of other people. Now you want to go back and again go to see my location. And from here you want to turn off the ghost mode setting. And here you can simply adjust it to only my friends, and you can also adjust it to only this friends. So that is the basic simple tips to make your Snapchat account private. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.